Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are trying press-on nails. I was so excited to do this video. GLAMNETIC reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their press-on nail set. And you know, press-on nails has always been something that I was been curious about. Well, I shouldn't say always, about the last year I've really been curious about it because, you know, I have to have my nails done for what I do. My nails need to look pretty because we take a lot of photos. I'm always showing products close up in the camera. And getting to the nail salon every 10 days is hard to do sometimes. Sometimes it's just hard to do. Not only that, but also the cost is, you know, it's a maintenance service. It gets expensive and it gets time consuming. So I've been curious about press-on nails. I have friends that have told me that it's so easy, they last a week or more. So GLAMNETIC reached out, they said, hey, would you like to try our nail set and maybe do like a how-to video? And I was like, actually I would, because I imagine there's other people like me out there. So I'm here to give you kind of the real deal, how it was to apply these and show you how to apply them. So let me show you the 3 styles they sent over. They sent over the style Limelight, which is a fun lime green tip with little white flowers, super cute, a little trendy. I like to go a little more classic, so I ended up choosing the style Heavenly, which is just a really pretty light pink with white detail at the tip. And then they also sent over the style Confetti, which is really cute, also kind of trendy, real cute little pastel nail tips, short almond shape. I like that. Whenever I do have my nails longer than my like natural nail bed, I always like to do the almond shape. I've kind of been into that lately, so when I do go to the salon and get an SNS, I'll get almond shape like this. So let me tell you guys what comes in these. These sets are reusable, by the way, so you can get more than one use out of them. You get 30 nails, so you get enough for, like I said, multiple uses, but also to find the right fit for your nails because our nail beds are all different, so you have plenty to actually fit. And I will say, I tried these like back in 2020 when we couldn't get to the nail salon. I bought a kit from the drugstore and it was too big. All the nail beds were too big for my nails, and I kind of never tried them again, but I was able to find the perfect fit from GLAMNETIC. So it comes with 30 nails, it comes with a nail glue, it comes with a nail file, it comes with a cuticle stick, and it comes with an alcohol pad. That is all you need to apply these. There is nothing else that you need outside of this box to apply them. It really was so quick and easy. It took me definitely less than 10 minutes, and I feel like my next time around it would probably be around 5 minutes. I started by taking the cuticle stick and pushing my cuticles back. I had my SNS removed over the weekend, which was about 4 or 5 days ago, so they had kind of done a little work on my cuticles already, so the cuticle stick took no time for me. And then after that, I took the nail file and I just filed any uneven nails so that I could get a nice clean short nail. Then I took the alcohol pad and I just wiped all of my nail beds down, so really just remove any oil, dirt, debris, dust, all of that, because I really wanted that nail to glue to a clean, dry nail. After that, I took the nail glue and I just put it all over my natural nail, and then I also did a thin layer on the fake nail, pressed it onto the nail bed, let it sit for about 10 or 15 seconds, and that was it. It was on. And I've done a lot with these nails today. I've opened soda cans, I've opened wrappers, I have been, you know, picking at things, and they are on. So I am gonna take a file to them tonight to kind of customize them and shorten them a little bit, but I love them. So super fun. The way you remove these is really easy. It says you just soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes until the glue loosens, and then you just gently peel the nail off from the side so they come off pretty easily. So I was super excited to try these out and share these with you guys. Have you tried press-on nails? Have you tried GLAMNETIC press-on nails? Let us know in the comment section below your experience. And I don't know, you guys, I think I just found a little hack to get me, you know, in the nail salon less. I don't know if I'm ready to give it up entirely, but I definitely think this can cut down my trips to the nail salon. So super excited to share this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful or useful. And like I said, if you've tried press-on nails, let us know down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.